I'm just going to be showing you guys how I'm going to make the rice water. I have gone through YouTube and watched a lot of videos. So this is one of the methods that I actually saw on YouTube. So I have a cup of rice here. This is actually like brown, like local. In Nigeria we call it local rice. You can use, they really said it doesn't really matter what kind of rice you use. You can use white rice or brown rice or any sort of rice, but yeah, I am using local brown rice. So and I have my water here, I have my lemon here, and I have my orange oil, my sweet orange oil here, and my pure water will act as my distilled water. So let's just quickly start. So first off, pour my cup of rice into my bowl. So the rice is clearly dirty, so I'm just going to take this water to first of all wash the rice. So I'm just basically doing like a light wash just to get rid of all the insects, and then like maybe probably like chemicals and whatnot that were in the rice or on the rice. So just a light sweep. Then I'm just going to decant the water. So I have decanted the water out of it. So now I'm just going to pour in my pure water, or if you have distilled water you can use distilled water, anyone you have. So I'm going to just pour this in. And there was no actual like measurements as to how much water you need. So I'm probably, since this is my first time actually like trying this rice water, I might just use like 1.5. Yeah, I think I'll just do like 1.5. Yeah, I think that's okay. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I have to like wash the rice thoroughly with my hands. So basically I have to scrub the rice. So they said to keep washing till the rice gets cloud, or the water gets cloudy. So I think we're probably there. The water isn't as clean as it was before, see-through as it was before. So I'm just going to leave that to rest for about 10 minutes, then we'll come back and continue making it. Alright guys, so it has been here for like 10 minutes. I left it for like 10. So getting a clean pot, I'm supposed to like transfer the water out. So guys, they said to discard the rice from there. So this is my rice water now. So the recipe says or calls to add the zest or the skin of orange or mandarin. I don't have mandarin. I had a lemon in the house, so I'm just going to peel off the skin, or try to peel off the skin.
Layered music.
So that is my rice water with the lemon. So now I'm supposed to boil it. So we're just going to move over to the cooker. Okay guys, so the next step is to boil the rice water. So I'm just going to, so apparently we're supposed to let the rice water come to a boil. Then when it comes to a like, once it starts boiling, then we take it off the heat. So I'm just going to leave that to boil, then I will come back. Okay guys, so it has come to a boil. So I'm just going to turn off the heat now, and I'm going to leave it for a few minutes just for it to like cool down. Then we will move on to the next step. So I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Okay guys, so here is my rice water. It has cooled down a little bit. So it says to transfer it to a mason jar. I do not have a mason jar, so I'm just going to store my rice water inside this bottle. But before then, I'm just going to add a few drops of my sweet orange oil. So just like maybe like 5 drops. Because the lemon has already released its oil, so that's why I'm just adding very little of the orange oil. So now I'm just going to transfer this rice water into here. This is where I'm going to store it for it to ferment. So according to what I read, some people store it for like up to a week, some people store it for up to like a month. So I might store it between 2 days and a week. So let me just see how it goes. I might end up storing it for like either 2 days or a week. And to seal it more, I'm just going to take a piece of cling film over it. So I'm just going to get a funnel and just transfer the water inside. So I'm just going to throw in the lemon rinds inside. I'm gonna find somewhere else and pour. I'm gonna find somewhere else to pour the rest, but this is just too precious to just throw away like that. So anyways, I'm just going to take my cling film and just cover, just take a little cling film and cover the top. This is just to prevent air from entering into it so that it can ferment well. So yeah, so this is my rice water. So I'm going to probably leave this like for like maybe like 2 days to a week, but no more than a week, so that I can start using it on my hair. But I'm actually psyched and excited to actually see the results of this on my hair. So I don't know how I'm going to do, if it's going to be like part of this video or part of another video, but I'm definitely going to try a 2 weeks using this rice water on my hair. So yeah guys, this is it. I will see this after either 2 days or a week. So yeah. Hi guys, so this is my rice water that I have been fermenting for close to like 3 weeks now. So I showed you a video of how I made the rice water, and yeah, this is it. This is how I stored it and left it to ferment for, I think it's close to 3 weeks. I made this rice water, I think on the when? Yeah, I think I made this rice water early. I think it's up to a month though, because I was supposed to use it after a week, and the 13th of April would have made this rice water 1 week. So that means this rice water is like almost a month, because today is the 1st of May. So yeah, so I'm about to transfer the rice water into this spray bottle. Excuse all the excesses in the background. So yeah, I'm about to transfer the rice water into this spray bottle. So today is the first day of March, and I'm going to start using this rice water from today for about a month or so, just to see, you know, if I do get any hair growth or results after a month of using this rice water. So yeah, this is my rice water.